of thunderstorms are developing over North Texas, mainly north of Interstate 20 and west of Interstate 35. The strongest storm... Until 7:45 a.m. At 7:03 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Bridgeport, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Decatur around 7:15 a.m. Albert around 7:20 a.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from